Did you know that there, high in the hills east of Turin in Italy, there is a basilica visible from all over the city? Yes, but before talking about it, hi, I'm Lawrence and I'm here to tell you mini stories around the world from my human point of view. Before starting, help me to grow this project, snap me a like and subscribe. Let's start this small series on Turin with a hidden gem located on top of the Superga hill and dominating the city with its 18th century vibe. We are talking about the Basilica of Superga, a beautiful church built in Baroque and neoclassical style by Victor Amadeus II of Savoy. Bloody Savoys, they always have something to do with this area. But let's go step by step. It was really a sunny day and I was wandering near this beautiful building. You must know that there are 3 ways to get to the top of this hill: on foot from the village of San Mauro Torinese or from the Sassi Cemetery, with a beautiful and characteristic little train from the Sassi station, or by car. I recommended using the train because by feet the path from Sassi is not pedestrian friendly, San Mauro is a bit far from the center, and by car there are very few parking spaces. That day I was really lucky as usual and I parked my car almost in front of the basilica. I was really happy, so I started shooting from the beautiful facade. A folk tale tells that the Duke Victor Amadeus II in 1706 climbed to the top of the Superga hill to check the position of the French army, which had been besieging the city for 4 months. He prayed the Virgin Mary to let him win the war by promising to build a church on that hill, and so, after the defeat of the French and after being crowned king, he entrusted the construction of the new church to a Sicilian architect, Filippo Juvarra. And voila, Superga. Okay, well, this is very interesting, but I wanted another perspective, so I decided to walk around the church and I found this, a monument to the memory of a soccer team, the Grand Torino. In 1949, the plane carrying the legendary Turin football team of those years crashed into the base of the rear wall of the basilica. It was a legendary team that won 5 legal titles in a row, so if you are a football fan, I think this could be a must visit. As for me, I wanted again another perspective. I was just missing one thing to do: climb the dome of the church, and that is what I did. The view from up there over the city, as you can see, is beautiful, but there is a very personal reason why I brought you here in the first place. This is where, in 2019, I shooted my first short film. Yes, it was never published and was mostly an exercise for a course, but this is where my video making skills really started to form. In short, my 0 point. So, while I was admiring the view, I was struck by a flash of awareness. I understood something important, that is, that if you want to start filming for real, just look for the highest hill near your house.